Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the full process of buying shares on PLUS500. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will help you get started. So let's jump right in. Visit the PLUS500 website or download the app first. Sign up using your email, Google or Apple ID. Complete the identity verification step as required by regulations. Make a minimum deposit to fund your account. Then, once your account is set up, you will be using PLUS500's web trader platform, known for its user-friendly design and powerful features. Create watch lists for the shares you are interested in. Use advanced charts with over 100 technical indicators to analyze the market. Set alerts for price movements or specific trading opportunities. To find shares to buy, use the search bar at the top of the platform. To look at the company you are interested in, like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon, check the company's financial performance, recent news, and market trends to make an informed decision. Use the charting tools to analyze historical price movements. Click on the share you want to purchase, say the amount you want to invest, choose your order type to control your entry price. Confirm your order and watch your position go live. Once you have bought your shares, keep an eye on your portfolio. Set a stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Use the PLUS500 mobile app to monitor your investments to go. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk across multiple assets. And that's it. You are now ready to start buying shares on PLUS500. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips.